So, since we're very towards I and contour, I wanted to look at the structures on, you know, um, excuse me, on visible body. So it's not the exact structure that's in contour as an exact model, but similar. And an important distinction or important features to look out for are the optic nerve, which is now highlighted, and then the right optic chiasm. But I think the easiest thing is knowing when it's chiasm and when it's nerve, but the hard thing is knowing when is it chiasm and when is it hypothalamus. So I think when you start seeing the posterior portion of the hypothalamus on the same slice as the optic chiasm, that's how you know you shouldn't be contouring posteriorly um, to capture any hypothalamus. So let's give this an example. So number two, the score was 37. So, so now I see the posterior portion of the hypothalamus here. So then we're going to have to go one slice inferiorly. Um, maybe one more slice inferiorly. So this is probably all optic chiasm. Go one more slice inferiorly. One more. One more. And then you can see that now the fork faces anteriorly, which is what you're looking for because the chiasm is an X shape. It's just that when you go um, inferiorly, that the X points anteriorly. So on this slice, this is probably nerve. So I'm not going to contour anything on this slice. Go one slice superiorly. This is the first slice that the anterior portion of the chiasm appears. Go superiorly. Yeah, don't want to touch the slice because you can see hypothalamus. So we'll just submit it here. 71.98. See where the errors are. The dotted line is my contour and the solid line is the gold standard. Looks like I captured something beyond the assignments. Same thing. I wasn't supposed to, it wasn't supposed to touch the slice. And I wasn't supposed to touch the slice. So in summary, I went one slice too far inferiorly and one slice too far superiorly. I also grabbed extra structures on around the chiasm, and I'm not really sure what that is. It's like a atlas real quick. It could be the inferior portions of the infundibulum, which is what connects to the pituitary gland. Yeah, so this was attempt number three, and much better from number two. At least now we know how to locate the chiasm a bit better by looking towards or looking for the hypothalamus and optic nerve.